Hi, everybody.
Oh, no, like...
Sorry, I have Gabby with me over here, but she doesn't want to come out. Say hi.
Hello.
She doesn't want to come out in the video. Well, I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit. Well, some of you guys have seen my videos from my upbringing and certain things, but one of the reasons. Okay, who signed up?
That's me.
Okay, my daughter's a trip. One of the reasons I wanted to come on here really quick, and now I have my dog, Bambi, that she's next to me.
At midnight.
At midnight,
Over here.
my male one. I'm surrounded by animals and my daughter next to me, so I'm never alone. Part of being a mom. Who's on, Mama?
Grace.
Hi, Grace. How you doing? Well, the reason I came on tonight, I know it's Sunday night and everybody's relaxing with their families and just chilling. But I wanted to tell you guys, I've been with the company that I'm with for the past, I think, 2 months. And the reason why I got into it, besides being able to do it with my daughter, Gabby, since I homeschool her, and I wanted to have a part of doing something with her because of, health reasons. And if you guys watched my video from before, and I forgot to say this, I'm sorry.
Oh,
hold on. My name is Caridat, but I go by
Megan.
Hi, Megan. I do go by Carrie to make it simpler, so you guys won't be like Caridad or whatever. So it's Caridad in Spanish, but I go by Carrie to make it simpler for everyone. Okay, the reason why I joined the company that I am with right now with my daughter and my husband, which he's the person in the back. He handles everything else and giving us rides because I don't drive because I'm legally blind from the right eye and I only have I don't have no peripheral vision on. Oh my gosh, on my left. That's funny. I'm trying to look at myself on the thing. Okay, so the reason why I joined the company, besides doing it with my daughter, is I'm a stay-at-home mom. Due to having health issues, and I also started homeschooling Gabby because of my health issues. I was kind of scared of not being around for her, and not being able to do the things that I wanted to do with her, her growing up, because being diabetic and having health issues due to being diabetic, I got scared, and as a mom, you get scared when doctors tell you you're starting to have kidney failures, you have to go on a transplant list, and which luckily I took her out of school 3 years ago, and I was able to get my kidney transplant finally after 3 years, last year in November, due to
Christine.
Okay, Gabby, hold. Say hi, then you say hi. Okay, the reason I'm not looking at this because I don't want to be putting my face towards the thing because I can't really see this due to my eyesight. But everything else, I do everything on my own. I do everything. So I wanted my daughter to tell me who was signed on. So hello, everybody that signs on and seeing my video. Okay, so back because she keeps interrupting me. Kids. It never fails that they always want to interrupt in the wrong time. But I chose to do this because I'm always, I was home and I felt down on myself. And I was kind of like trying to find something for myself, even though I busy with homeschooling and I do also run a homeschooling group, but I had to take a step back from that, which I wasn't able to continue doing the event because I had to stay home for a total whole year because I couldn't be around certain people and a lot of people because I couldn't get sick, which I'm trying to get myself back, but I'm slowly but surely, trying to get. But I really saw something in this that I really loved about it, and the sisterhood and having and meeting new women that are not only in this area, because I live in a small town here in Florida, and I mean it's a small town, so it's like not that you know everybody, but it's a small town, so for you to go, to get a Whole Food store, you have to go to West Palm or Trader Joe's, I think it is called. You have to go to West Palm. So certain things that you have to go pretty far to get, because even though I live 2 hours away from my Debbie, that's Simba. We adopted him from the shelter. All our animals are rescued. Now they took me off track. So, we still have to travel far to go to Miami. So that's like a whole day adventure. But I was lacking something. As a mom, you're always home and you try to take care of your husband. You try to take care of everything in the household. And you wonder, what about me? Can I do things? Or can I do this? I have to depend on my husband to take me everywhere. And I have to depend on my daughter for certain things because of my eyesight. But I found something that there was no judgment. And all these women that are in this company are not looking at me and saying, oh, you can't do this or you can't do that. And that's one thing that I love. I might not know them personally, but it has been an awesome feeling and an amazing thing to be part of something that I truly love. And it's true, because in the beginning it was they ask you why you joined this company, why, and it was mainly because of my family and my daughter, because I wanted to do something with her, because I homeschool her and I wanted to be able to do things. But now I'm finding something in myself. I'm gaining my confidence that I know I can do things on my own, and I'm able to accomplish a lot more stuff that I think I could do on my own. And if you guys are, any ladies or men are looking for something, or just to make extra money or extra because the holidays are coming up, or just something, or looking for something, a sisterhood, a companion, like to have someone that you could talk to about, besides the friendship, because I know that sometimes I can, even the person I joined under, I could call her anytime and tell her, hey, I need help, I need this, and she's there. Or anybody, I'm a night owl, so I'm up pretty much all night. So not that I contact them at nighttime, but I look for, I just, if I have a question, I can look up any of the videos or anything to find out the answer. Or I find out the answer for myself.
That's me.
Oh, would you stop? I'm trying to be serious here. It's not working. Which I'm never serious. Oh, that doesn't help. But it's an amazing company, and it's been a joy and an awesome. I'm meeting a lot of beautiful women and some of the men that are, I don't want to say handsome because I never met them. And out of respect of my husband before he killed me while he watches the video. And there must be amazing men because I don't know them personally. And none of the women, I've known them through Facebook. And I'm hoping soon we get to meet them personally because they're all over, all the different states. But I wanted to tell you guys, I wanted to show you guys, because I had, some people ask me the question of, what do you get when you sign up? And honestly, I didn't ask that question when I met my, I got a sample. I requested a sample. And it's funny because one of my friends, one of my homeschooling moms, asked me if I wanted to join a group. And I'm like, hey, yeah, I join everybody's group, and because I want to help everybody out. That's just me, I'm like that. And it's funny because I just saw the products and I was like, oh my God, this is cool, you know? And I requested a sample. And honestly, I didn't even try it because I saw how amazing the product was. I went onto the website, I started reading all the stuff, and I just told my sponsor, you know what? I want to join. And she was like, for real? So I just signed up. I didn't discuss it with my husband. I just wanted, and my husband really doesn't get into the stuff. He just told me, whatever makes you happy. And honestly, this makes me super, super, super happy because I found my voice. I found something that I love besides my family because I feel that I'm able to do something on my own and bring something into the household besides my husband only, you know, because it's, you know, it's one income family, because that's a lot of the things that, you know, homeschooling moms do and families that it's a one single family income, and it gets a little bit tight, you know, that you want to do a lot of things and you can't because of the funds. And I wanted to help my husband. I wanted to help my family. And one thing that I was able to do is accomplish that. You know, and I told my husband, hey, don't worry about the light bill. I got it. He's like, for real? Okay, fine. Which I take care of all the bills, but I was, you know, it wasn't going to affect us in any way. You know, and we really want to, you know, accomplish a lot of stuff in our life, and financially we'll